Hello everyone, my name is Divya Narkar. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell about how we set our Node.js, Express.js and how we install the packages, modules and the whole backend structure, file structure. Today I will share in this video and we will see the little server.js basic things, how we write the code and why we use. Okay, so let's start with the blank folder. In this folder I have nothing. I only created one folder and give one back and front name folders and here I take server, and this is the main basic part where we start our terminal. And here, okay, now first we cd back. Yes, okay. Now we install. First installation part is like npm init y for the package. You can see the package JSON is installed, and now we install npm install like express and .env and Axios and course. So installing these all packages at a one time by this. Okay. Now you can say here will become the package log JSON package. Yes, the node modules which whatever we using packages there they are stored in node modules, and package log JSON package dot JSON, they both are for storing our what dependencies means which packages we are using in our project. That was the dependencies. Okay, so let's see the main project where I will share you about my real basic file structure. Okay, so in this project I use middleware controller, this all things, and yes, this is the simple and basic cleaner files. Like you can see in the back is the root folder, and inside of the back I created three folders, controller, middleware, routes, and the .env is a file, and the server.js is also a file, and package log JSON, package JSON, node modules, they are installed by the npm. Okay, and yes, controller, you can see in the controller we store that code where we use business logics, and we are handling the request and responses. And in the middleware, in this middleware I use error handling, and this was used for like a course express JSON, it will be handled. And in the routes, nothing we are doing. We are calling controller and we are sending to the controller our request and exporting the router. In the server you can see the heart of the backend is like a server. In the server we are importing our express middlewares like course and the express and express.json, they are middlewares, and .env file. And for the .env file we need .env for reading, and path we have to say the path, which path we are sending, and Gemini routes. Yes, routes also we are importing, middlewares importing, and okay, this line means in this line we use app is like object, and it is work as a it is working like a heart of the project, app variable, and in it we are also saying we use the course middlewares, course express.json. This middlewares for using sending the request or response. Okay, and yes, and use express.static. This method is used for serve the front end part. In the front end, what is the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript? These all are serving by the static method. And okay, after this all thing, we are saying listen. In the listen part, app.listen is used for listen our running our project on which port. Port means it is a number. It is the value like 5000 port and 4000 port and 5500 port, 3000 port. These all numbers are on the calling port, and this port and Gemini AI key API key are stored in ENA file by that variables. From env files variables we are giving here port, and after then we are using callback function and consoling our message whatever we want. Okay, this much have in the server, and this is the simple file structure where we using controller, middleware, routes, and modules are in Node.js, and package.json I already shared how we have to install. So thank you for watching.